everybody, welcome back to another video in Bret's Garage. I'm Bret, and today I'm going to show you how I wash my car using the 3-bucket wash method and get no swirl marks. So the 3-bucket wash method, I have 3 separate buckets. One is designated just for the wheels, and inside this bucket I have a grit guard to trap all the dirt in the bottom of the bucket. I also have a sponge designated just for the wheels. It doesn't touch any other part of the car. And I also have this brush to get all those hard to reach places inside the wheel. My other 2 buckets, one is a wash bucket with clean soapy water in it, and also has a grit guard in the bottom. And I use this microfiber cloth for washing the car. Every time I wipe the car 3 or 4 times, then I dip it in my rinse bucket, which also has a grit guard in the bottom. And then I put it back in the soapy water and continue washing the car in straight lines only to avoid any swirl marks. Before I hand wash the car using the 3-bucket wash method, I like to take an extra precaution and spray the car down with this foam cannon before washing the car. What this foam cannon does is puts an entire layer of foam all over the car and lifts off the dirt, and then I pressure wash it clean, and then I'll go ahead and use the 3-bucket wash method to wash the car. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up my foam cannon with some soap. First thing I'm going to do is just going to get the car nice and wet. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the car with the foam cannon. Wash your car in direct sunlight, but I don't really have a choice this morning, so I'm only going to let that sit for a little bit, and then I'm going to wash it off with clean water. I'm going to wash the wheels. Now usually at this point I'd be done washing my car, but it's extra dirty and I'm going to hand wash it now. Normally during the 3-bucket wash method, you use your soapy wash water to apply soap to the car. However, today I'm going to use my foam cannon to be putting the soap on the car. To avoid getting swirl marks on the car, I'm only washing the car in perfectly straight lines. After wiping down the car 3 or 4 times, then I dip my microfiber cloth in the rinse bucket to get all the dirt off, and then back in the wash bucket and continue washing the car. So lastly, the most important thing about washing your car is drying it properly. Now, same while I'm washing the car, I don't want to put any scratch marks in it. So I have these 2 microfiber drying cloths, and I'm only going to wipe the car in straight lines, exact same way as I wash the car with the hand mitt. Now I'm just going to drag it over the surface and let it suck up any water on its own. That's it for today's video. Thanks everybody for watching. Please subscribe. I make weekly videos and I have big plans to modify my Golf R in the very near future. Please hit that like button and I'll see you next week.